For this next circuit, we're going to learn about resistors and how they work. So if you still have your circuit wired up from last time, go ahead and unplug the jumper wire and the push button. You have a red positive wire going from 5 volts to E1, an LED positive leg going A1 to A2, and you have the 330 ohm resistor going into B2 and B10. On page 13 of your kit, resistors resist the flow of electricity. You can use them to protect sensitive components like LEDs. The strength of resistor measured in ohms is marked on the body of the resistor using small colored bands. Each color stands for a number, which you can look up using a resistor chart. One can be found at the back of this book. So on the back of the book, it tells us which kits we have and the chart that we can use if we ever needed to figure out what the resistance of a resistor was. Okay, so we'll be doing that at some point. What you're going to need for this circuit is one of each. So one 10K ohm resistor and one 330 ohm resistor. Find those two in your kit and get those ready. So you might already have the 330 ohm one out. The 10K ohm has the brown, black, orange, gold color bands, and it'll look like that. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side for a moment. So in the first circuit that we built, we powered up an LED using the 330 ohm resistor. So do that. Wire this up like you know how to do. So 5 volts to E1, positive leg A1, negative leg A2, 330 ohm resistor B2 to B10, negative wire E10 to ground. So this is a 330 ohm resistor. This is how bright the LED looks with a 330 ohm resistor. This is a 10K ohm resistor. This has 10,000 ohms. What do you think is going to happen to this LED if we swap out the 330 ohm resistor with the 10K ohm resistor? If you guess that it's going to make the LED dimmer, you're right. I'm going to unplug the resistor. Okay, and then I'm going to plug the new 10K ohm resistor into the circuit in B2 and B10. And check that out. The red LED is dimmer. And that's the thing that a resistor can do. It can slow down the electrons to make LEDs dimmer and a variety of other applications.